Hello guys, you're welcome to Virtual Culture channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful halter neck dress with a rope at the neck. I made use of 2.5 yards of fabric. Fold your fabric into a line shape on each side and make sure the edge of each of them is about 10 inches, as you can see me do. Mark a straight line at the edge and then you cut. After cutting the front, place the front on the other piece and trace it out. No zip allowance, so trace out exactly the same thing on the other part, as you can see me do. After placing it on the other part, you cut it out. So after cutting it out, you take your armhole measurement. You can remove about 2 inches from the armhole. You can make it 2 inches or 3. On the depth of the armhole, I made use of 11 inches. Sorry, I made use of 10 inches. I wanted to make use of 11, but I found out that 11 is gonna be big, so I made use of 10 inches. Then go ahead and turn the armhole with a bias strip. After turning it, look at what it looked like. I'm done turning the armhole and I'm done folding the neck. Make it in such a way that a rope can pass through it. Then you join your front and back piece together. Cut out the stripe you're going to use for your rope. I cut 2 of them and then I folded it like a bias strip. Then use your safety pin and insert the rope on the neck. 1 rope for each side. So this is what it looks like after inserting the rope on the neck. Guys, it's so simple and easy to make in less than 10 to 15 minutes. So this is the final look of the dress. Can you see that? So simple and classy. Thank you.